Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can use App Lock on this smartphone. Start by opening Settings, scrolling down and choosing Passwords and Biometrics. So click. Then you need to click on Set Privacy Password, tap on Use a different password type and pick the best one for you. I will go with pattern. Now enter it and repeat it. After that, answer the security question or click on it. Tap on one of those to select them, or you can also choose custom question and create your own. You can save it by tapping on the top right corner. Remember to answer it correctly below and tap on the top right corner over here. And now finally choose Lock Apps. After that, you need to click your screen if some pop-ups will show up and tap on the switcher next to an app that you wish to clone. Lock. I will go with Chrome. So now when I go back and try to access this app, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!